Good morning again, children. How are you all? You all are fine? Great. Now, okay, first we had literacy class, and now this is your science class. Which class? Science class. Correct. Now, okay. Now tell me something, children. What do you people do? Yes? You play. Very good. You study. Very good. Then what else do you do? You eat. Very good. What else? You play, you study, you eat, you run. Very nice. There is one more thing that you people do all the time. Every time you are doing that. Can somebody just tell me what's that? You don't know? Now see. Yes. Wow. Very good, Alia. You people breathe because we are humans, right? We are all humans and we need to breathe all the time. So we are breathing. Remember the exercise of breathing? Yes, we breathe. You breathe like this, right? Breathe in, breathe out. So you take the air inside because breathing is very, very important for living. If you will not breathe, then what will happen? You all are going to die. Yes, very good. So we all need to breathe to live in this world, right? Yes or no? And what else do you do? You only breathe? No, you move, you breathe, you move, you eat, right? What else? Yes, these are all different things that humans do. Humans can breathe, humans can move, humans can eat, and humans can have babies also, small babies, right? Why? Because we are all living. We are all living things, right? Okay. Now, I'll show you a picture and you are going to tell me what is this. What is this picture about? Yes, class? It's about a sunflower. Very good, Neha. Now, this is about a sunflower. That's fine. It's a plant. Yes or no? It's a plant. Correct. Now, do you think that plants also breathe? Yes, because plants are also living things, right? So they can also breathe. But do you think they can move? No, they cannot move. But what else do they do? What else do plants do? But the very nice plants grow. They grow, right? Plants grow from small seeds to big flower, big leaf, big trees, right? That means they grow. Plants grow like that, right? Yes or no? Okay. Now, do you know, remember in the morning I have shown you a picture of a fish, right? Now, how do fish move? They swim. Very good. Fish swim in the water. Wow. And what about frog? Remember the picture of frog also I've shown you? Frog also move. How does it move? It hops, right? It hops and it moves. Very good. Great job. Now, which animal is this? Can you name this? Excellent, Amir. It's a peacock, right? Peacock. Okay. Peacock can. How does it move? It flies also and it jumps also and it walks also. Very good. Now what about this? It's a picture of a, oh, sweetie pie. It's a dog. Wow. So is a dog a living thing? Yes. Why? Because it's living, it can eat, it can run, it can have babies, right? Yes, but how does it move? It walks, very good. It runs, very good. Okay, great job. Now, which animal is this? It's an animal. What is this? It's an owl, correct. It's an owl. Owl is a bird, right? How does owl move? Owls can fly. Very nice. So do they breathe also? Yes, they all breathe as well. Now, what is this? It's a cow. Great job. Now, how does cow move? It walks. It can also run. So, do you think it's a living thing? Yes, because it needs to breathe. It can breathe, it can move, it can eat, and it can have babies too, right? So all these things are, you see, all of the things I have shown you, they are different from one another, right? A cow is different from a dog. They are all different from a peacock, right? In the same way, flowers are different from one another. There are different kinds of flower. There are different kinds of trees. Yes or no? So all these things are different from one another. Now, who has given us this information about all these things? Wow, great job, Amir. They are the scientists. Correct. I'm so happy. So happy. They are the scientists. What do they do? Study. Very good. They study. They look into the information. They observe. What do? They observe different things, right? They look into how, what, when, where these things happen, right? They find information. Remember, I've told you, they find information. So this is how we learn about science. The science teaches us different things. Science teaches us different things. It tells us about different things. How do they move? How do they eat? How do they breathe? Right? And how are they made? What, how, what, when, where, how are they made? So these are all informations which are given to us by science, correct? But who has created them? Who is the creator? Of course, Allah is the creator. He has created all the things. You remember the video that I've shown you? Yes? Yes, that was the video about Allah, Allah's creations, right? So this is what we were learning. We were learning about science, what we have learned, how things are different. Now, you can see this is a crow. It's also a bird, and owl is also a bird, but these two birds are different. They are all different from one another, right or not? Now, this is a marker. This is a comb. Now, these two are similar or they are different? They are different. But do they breathe? Do they move? Yes? No, they don't breathe, they can't move. So what do we call them? Do we call them living things? No, they are not. So they are non-living things. They are non-living things. Do you understand? But who has given us this information again? Science. Science has given us. So science is the basic things. It tells us so many things, right? It tells us that all the things are different. We are all different from one another. We are all different from our faces, from our movement, from different things, right? So this is what science tells us. It tells us that we all are different. Now, can you tell me what else have you learned? Like what else is there which science tells you? Yes? About moons, about stars. Yes, we have done this in the first lesson. Correct. About seasons. Very good. About day and night. Very good. About the weather, what is going to happen in the next 24 hours. It is all because of science. It tells you the information. Very good. It also tells us about the different animals, about the different things, about the nature, about trees, about plants, about mountains, right? Well done. Very, very good, children. I'm so, so Happy for you all. Correct. Very good class. Now, the homework which you have to do is you have to do question number 3. You have to do page number 5 of your book, the whole book. Okay, it's very, very easy, right? Remember that the crow. Okay, you have first tell me, let me explain you the homework. I'll be posting that on portal, and everything that we have discussed in class, that you have to do in your book. Okay, so now tell me that what type of an animal an elephant is. Is it small? Is it fat? Small. Correct. Good job. Now, how is the mouse? If you look at the mouse, how does it looks like? Very good. It's very small. It's tiny. What about a horse? What does a horse do? It runs fast. Well done. Now, now these are all the different things, right? Different animals. So, do you think they are similar to one another? Horse, mouse, and what else? This thing, elephant. Are they all similar? No, they are all different from one another. Do you understand now? Yes? Okay. So do remember what we have done in the class, and remember the first lesson in which I have shown you the picture of an ant, right? So you also have to draw an ant with all its 6 legs, right? All right. Okay. Will you be able to do the homework yourself? Yes, good, very good. I'm so, so happy for you all. You are a great class. I hope you have understood whatever we have done and you have understood it properly. You have listened to me properly. Yes? Okay, good job. All right. Okay. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye.